What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. Feel good to be back on another one. Again, this is week 9, spring summer 2021 Human made. It was a fire week. I picked up a couple of things and I missed out on a couple of things that I didn't see until later on, and it sold out, so it was too late. But yeah, it was a good ass week this week, so I guess Nigo is listening to me, specifically to me. I know I gotta be arrogant and all that shit, but it's cool. I'm just joking around. But anyway, yeah, it was a fire week. Good shit dropped. It was just a good week. Just a good week all around, y'all. I hope everybody got what they wanted. I think there's a few things still up on the site, if I'm not mistaken, that haven't sold out yet. So, but anyway, what's up? What else? Yeah, like, comment, subscribe down below. Subscribe if you're new. I would greatly appreciate it. Hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it if you're already subscribed. Just hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and like button. I would greatly appreciate that. Thank you. Also, what else? Follow me on Instagram. Y'all, all that stuff. Link down below my Instagram if y'all want to follow me. What else? News. No news at the moment. I got some videos coming. Yeah, just stay tuned. So anyway, we're gonna get into this weekly recap, week 9 of Human made. And yeah, again, it was a good week and I got what I wanted. Except for one thing, because I wasn't paying attention, because I was at work and I was just trying to buy what I'd seen and it just dipped off. But anyway, let's get right into this week 9 and recap. Let's get right into it. Let's get it. All right, so let's get right into it. First, we're gonna start with the tees. So let's jump right into the tees. Let's get. All right, so we're gonna go with. They only dropped one tee this week, and this was a tee. They dropped a pocket tee with the heart on it, with Human made on the back. Just very simple. I like this embroidery on the pocket. But yeah, this is a simple tee. They got it in white and black. I didn't get this. Let me see. That's an XL. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pass. But anyway, if they had it in the XL, I would have got it in black, because they don't have enough black tees. It's always normally like the dark colors would be navy blue, but anything with black tees I would cop it. But it's just very simple, none too crazy for that. So we're gonna go to the cut and sew. Now this would get like pretty good. So I seen this in the it's over there, but I got the lookbook that they had dropped. I had bought it and I already seen this, and I already knew I was gonna get this. I should have did a video on that, like the lookbook review, to show, like, to go over what we're gonna be getting this season. But anyway, this is one of the tees that they dropped. The BMX long sleeve. I copped this one. I had to copy it. I didn't copy it in white, but we're gonna just go over the white real quick before we get into the other colorway. The white ain't bad, to be honest. But the reason why I didn't get it, because I already got a lot of white tees of Human made, and white just get dirty really quick. And especially with sleeves, when you put your elbows down or something, it just gonna get messed up. So I'm like, I'm not gonna get no damn white tee. I just get the other colorway, but it's still clean, nonetheless. So on the front it says Human made, but I like this heart design, really dope. Really like that heart design. That give me an idea for something, but I ain't gonna say. But draws on the back, clean, dope. Can't go wrong with it. Very clean, sleek. All right, so this is the one that I got. It sold out in only small, but I had to cop this one. This BMX long sleeve in navy blue, because I seen some shoes that I want to get. Again, I'm trying not to matchy too much, but just enough. But yeah, I really like this navy blue with that yellow. Dope ass complementary color with the white to help accent a little bit better. It was just clean. This was really clean. I seen this in the lookbook that I bought. So I already seen things that I wanted that I was gonna get regardless, and this was one of the ones I was gonna get. I didn't see the navy blue one in the lookbook. It only had the white version. So this is the one that I went for, and I'm glad that I got it. And they still have some in stock. Hopefully they'll still have some in stock by the time this video drops. That was a bar for you. So yeah, I think that was it for the cut and sew. Yeah, that was it for the cut and sew stuff. Let's see what they had in shirts. Okay, this what I missed out on, and it sold out in all sizes. This the one that I really wanted. This was the shirt that I like. It's cool, cause they had like I seen it in. I'm gonna show you first before I show this one. I seen this colorway first in the lookbook. I seen this in the lookbook. It was only in this colorway with this like this light cream. So I was like, it's cool, straight. But then like I seen the details, like, oh, so they stitched it. Finally, they started using more stitching and less print, but they did use print on the Human made part. Like, just go stitched all the way through, Nigo. Just stitch it up, bro. Just stitch it up. But yeah, this is the one that I seen the look, but when I seen this one, like the blue version, way better than that cream. All right, it just this reason why it just looks so clean, bro, so clean. And I already had like a dope ass fit to put it. Just something real simple, nothing too crazy, just fire. This is just hard body. So, and plus I like the stitching that Nigo goes with when he do the stitching. It just ain't just regular stitching. I don't know what you call it. Again, I'm a casual. I don't know all the fancy terms for like this fashion shit. But this right here is fire. I love the stitching, bro. Also, the stitching a little bit different with the duck. Still, it helps with the details and show a little bit more quality than just having everything printed on here. And then it lasts way longer, but I just wish they printed that Human made it. Well, I wish they stitched the Human made at the top. But yeah, there was a fire piece that sold out in all sizes and both colorways are sold out. So I took an L. It's quite expensive, but I feel like the price is worth it. So we'll go to the jackets. Did they drop any jackets? Yep, they dropped a blazer kind of jacket. It's called a factory jacket. This was hard too. This was hard, yo. Look at that, sold out. But let's get into it. A black, what would you, I just say factory jacket from what it's called. So this is clean, look at that. That's clean. That is stupid clean, bro. Human made on the button, beats, duck on there, stitched in, and they got this stitch. I really like the stitch that they use for like the type and the lettering. Fire. It give you that vintage old school vibe to it. Even on like the neck collar. Look at that. Fire. But that's it for that blazer / factory jacket. I guess it would be a blazer, I don't know. All right, pants. I don't think they dropped anything. Nope. Shoes, nope. Good, yes. So, another item that I caught from the goods was this snow globe. And I have, where are you little bastard? I got this snow globe. If y'all remember some past videos that I dropped, I got the polar bear one for a really good price. And now I'll have that one to go with this one, and I bought two because I will be reselling the other duck snow globe because I already know it's gonna sell out. I ain't worried about that. This snow globe is gonna sell out, and I'm gonna cop it and sell one and make some more money back and buy some more stuff because I'm already shipping stuff out. I got this box to ship out with what cup is it? Cause I had bought an extra one of these. Somebody wanted it, sold it. And I'm selling the hat version of that cup. So, hey man, you just gotta make money around here. But yeah, that's it. That's it for the week. I would give this week a solid 9. Reason being I give it a 9 would be because just small shit. I get a 9.5 because they printed the Human made on her back. It's nitpicky, yeah. They should just use the stitching that they've been using. They should have used this stitching. Where is it? Not on that one. Where is it? I think it should be on here. Jacket, yeah. I felt like if they would have did the stitching on the other Human made shit, they should have used this stitching. Like on that blue like that blue jacket with a blue shirt, long sleeve, they should have used this stitching. Up top, that would have been fire. But I get a 9.5 for the season. Dope season anyway. But anyway, hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe down below if you haven't already. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, just hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram, link down below. Catch y'all next video. I'm out. Peace.